Hello everyone, welcome to Parliament SEO YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing SEO mistake number 5, which is not leveraging long tail keywords. In most of our experiences, we have seen that most of the clients use um, short tail keywords, are what should I call them? It's like broad keywords which do not lead to any targeted traffic. For example, if you are just optimizing for coffee, this could mean this could mean anything, like any information about coffee, or even if you're trying to optimize for coffee grinders, it's still not long tail. It means you would lead into intense competition, and the targeted traffic that you would not be getting any targeted traffic. However, if you try to optimize for keywords like coffee grinders under $300 in NYC, then that means you could be getting potentially buyers from New York and who are interested in buying coffee grinders that are priced under $300. So this example, I guess, explains the real purpose of having long tail keywords in your SEO journey. Why are they important? Because they are easy to rank for, plus they generate targeted traffic, uh, who could be potential buyer, who could be potential customers, something like that. So how do you find long tail keywords? Obviously, you could use famous SEO tools that are paid as well, like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and if you are unable to afford those, you could use Ubersuggest as well. Plus, there are some free tools as well that could give you an idea of what kind of keywords can be short tail for that. For example, this is called keywordsheeter.com. So if I put my keyword is coffee grinder in this, and the it's if I put it is classic in the United States English, and then I just click on sheet keywords, then it could give us very long tail keywords and in your country or around. So for example, you could see these are very beautiful, um, beautiful in a sense, like really long tail keywords. Like if I just click on stop here, let's click on stop. Yeah. So you could see Coffee Grinder Island, Tesco Machine, Lady, and then Harvey Norman. It's for espresso, coffee grinder and espresso machine, and then at Walmart, coffee grinder and coffee maker, accessory, adjustable grind. So it means it is giving you long tail keywords, and if I'm able to sheet more and more, like reviews Australia, repair near me, 2023. So if it's already 2024, you could just replace this date, and then Reddit espresso. So you got the point. You could get coffee, sorry, long tail keywords for free as well. Plus you, but the drawback of this method is you don't know how much traffic are you going to get, because you are not estimating the monthly searches. So it would be very difficult to try to write for all these keywords. So the best way is to use a paid tool like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Ubersuggest. And if you are still unsure how to do keyword research for long tail keywords research, then you could obviously contact us by the links in description, or you could go to our website. It's called parliament.com. You could book a time slot that suits you and then discuss with us what kind of keyword research you want to get. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was informational for you. If this was the case, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, because I'm in a mission to upload 100 SEO mistakes to avoid. Like each video should be covering one SEO mistake that you need to avoid, and I will be publishing daily. So yeah, That's the purpose. Thank you for watching again.